Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is very exciting because it is our second Project Pan update day. Yay! I have been using these products since December 5th, and today is January 9th, so I have been using these products for over a month, and guess what? I've also been keeping a tally. Oh yeah, I've been keeping a tally. I know exactly how many times I have used each of these products. I'm super proud of this list. I have kept it up for a month and some change, and I'm pretty proud of it. So we are going to get into these Project Pan items. I'm going to be telling you how many times I've used them, showing you some before and after photos, and also be putting them on my face today. So if you're excited to see my second Project Pan update, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay, we're gonna start off with our face today. I am breaking out. So the first item in my Project Pan is my Vitamin Enriched face base, and I'm so excited about this one because I have hit pan or pot. Anyway, oh, I'm so excited. I love this stuff so much. So much, in fact, that my husband did buy me the full size for Christmas, and I am so excited to break into that one. I have my friend Carrington to thank for that one because I'm pretty sure she gave him the recommendation. In the past month, I have used the why can't I say that all in one go? Vitamin Enriched face base 18 times, which is very good for me. Love this stuff. Smells amazing, feels amazing. It is not irritating to my skin at all, and I think it keeps my skin moisturized, and it's also a very good base for my foundation, so love this. Okay, for my foundation, I have the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Foundation. I love this stuff so much. In the past month, I have used the foundation 21 times. It's got a huge doe foot applicator, and it's so nice to just throw on the face and blend away. This is a very nice, easy daily foundation, and I love it so much. It is light to medium coverage, which is perfect for me. I don't really do full coverage on the daily, so if you also like me, like a light foundation, then pick this one up. I got it online, super inexpensive, and I use a beauty sponge with this foundation. I've never tried it with any other technique, so if you have and you prefer your technique over a sponge, let me know. This foundation was in my favorites of 2021 video, so you know it's good. I love this foundation so much, and I will 10 out of 10 repurchase. I love it. I do not have a concealer in my Project Pan, so let's move on to bronzer. For bronzer, I'm using my Yensa Sunlit Glow Silk Bronzing Base. This is what it's looking like. I have used this 13 times in the past month. I tap it like that. I'm not gonna lie, bronzing has definitely grown on me. If you're not new to my channel, you know I never bronze. I hate bronzing. I consider it an extra step, but I've really liked it. I don't know if it's because I normally carry, whoops, went way too hard with that one. I don't know if it's because I normally carry a tan, during the summer, fall months, but this winter, I have been loving this cream bronzer. I am just so proud of this one. Look at that big dimple in the center. Wow. So excited. Go me. Okay, my lips are feeling crusty as hell, so I'm going to move on to my lip prep. And I have been loving and using the Glow Recipe Lip Pop for the past month. I love this stuff so much. In the past month, I have used this 21 times. It's so nice on my lips, especially during the winter months because my lips do get really dry and chapped and crusty. And this just gives them a nice little refresh before I put any lip items on. So I've been loving this stuff. Okay, we can move on to blush now. And I have been using the Honest Beauty Cream Blush. I cannot open this. And I have Coral Peach. I have used this 20 times in the last month. I am so proud of myself for keeping tallies on this stuff. consecutively, almost obsessively. And I realized I did a lot of makeup this month. I mean, that's 20 plus times to use a product in a 30-day span. That's a lot for me. That's about 10 makeup-free days out of the month. That's not a lot compared to where I used to be. I still just use the butt of my sponge and dab and then go in on my skin. That's the best way I found to use this. Okay, love that. We are going to finish up the face with our highlighter. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't used this that much. I have the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter, and this is in the shade Bubbly. I've only used this 11 times this month. Not very many times at all. I don't know. I don't really like it. So again, this one is very, very tricky. So I just dab my sponge into the product like that. You get a ton on, and then I wipe it off like that. Hence why I'm never going to go through this. And then I dab the bulk of it off on my hand, and then I dab my skin. It gives a nice wet finish, like a nice little pretty glow, but I don't know. It's not my favorite formula, so I don't like to grab it that often. Because I'm a stickler for rules, I have literally not been using highlighter this month because I don't want to use this. But I'm going to continue until March. Those are the rules. Okay, that's my highlighter. Next item I am so excited about because I'm going to consider this one panned. Like completely. Can't use it. It's an empty in my opinion. This is the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. Again, not the first one of these I've used. I love this stuff so much. But at this point in time, it is so dry and crusty. I don't think I get anything on my lids. What? I don't think I get anything on my brows anymore. I don't know. I'm considering this one trash. So let me just brush through my hairs. For the Brow Fast Sculpt in this month, I've used it 21 times. So I would be happy to say that this one is free to go. It's getting pretty dry. I'm not really seeing, I think maybe at this point it's just running like the comb through my brow hairs. So we're going to give this one a toss. We're done with it. 21 times in a month, I think that's pretty good. To replace that product, I am rolling in my Brow Stylist Definer from L'Oreal, and I have the shade Light Brunette. This is where we're starting with this product. It's very, very small, tiny, tiny nib, and it's got a spoolie on the end. So I'm going to start this month with this product. Into the bag she goes. Okay, moving on to my not so crowning shining moment, and that is going to be my eyes. Yeah. The first item is the Julep Eyeshadow 101, I cannot talk today, eyeshadow crayon. Unfortunately, I have only used this 5 times in the past month. I have the shade Bronze Shimmer. Last month, I discovered the best way now to go about this is just to put some on my finger and then go in on my lid. It's not that I don't like this product anymore. I think it's super handy for day to day, but day to day I haven't been doing any eyeshadow. I've just been going in with mascara. So I have not used this product like at all. But I think it's a nice option to have for whenever you're needing something to just slap on your lids to make you look nice and presentable, put together, pretty, give your eyeballs some definition, you know? Okay, that is my eyeshadow. For my topper, I included my, it's getting worse as the months go on, Jelly Much eyeshadow in Mystical. I've used this one 3 times, so, This one must have been nice, kept nice and flat because it looks perfectly flat on the bottom. But yeah, 3 times. Sorry. The best way I found to apply this instead of on my finger is actually with a brush, so I just put a little flat brush into the Jelly Much eyeshadow because this is such a messy product. I don't like to get it on my fingers, and then I just apply it with a flat brush like that. 3 times. That is pitiful. What's wrong with me? It's like I don't like to sparkle. All right, that is my Jelly Much eyeshadow. It's so pretty. I don't know why I don't use it. My goal for January, what month is this? January, is more eyeshadows daily. That's my goal. Keep me accountable. Okay, I would like to roll in something into my project pan. I think I'm allowed to do that. I mean, it's my project pan, right? Like, think I'm allowed to add things in when I want to. I would like to add in the Midas Cosmetics Bitchin' Cake Liner palette. It's currently looking like this. I'm needing a little liner, I think, in my life. A little fun. So this is where we're at, day one. And I think for today, I want to go in with this shade called Hardcore, and this is how I do it. Giovanna, if you're watching this and I'm doing it wrong, feel free to yell at me in the comments. It's okay. I can take criticism, you know? And I'm just going to let you know, you can yell at me all you want, but this is how I do it, you know? I take the smallest little nib, like brush I have. These are nail art brushes that Giovanna has suggested that you use for these. The littlest, tiniest one, okay? I use my setting spray, and I'm going into Hardcore, and I just spritz it. Like 2 spritzes, and then I blend like that. You can't really see what I'm doing. Blend. Coat my brush up. Oh yeah. I just need a little fun in my life, you know? This one went out, this one went up, but then once I'm done, I just take my wipe and just clean my brush off. No water needed. Don't yell at me. Okay, fine, yell at me. I don't care. So we are rolling the Bitchin' Cake Liner palette into the project pan. For mascara, I still absolutely positively hate this item. I'm just so ready for March to get here so I don't have to use this again. That is my Urban Decay Lash Freak. And I have used this 18 times in the past month, so I'm so ready to be through with this. I do love the way it makes my lashes look, but I don't like the formula. It's too clumpy, it's too tarry. I don't like it. Quite honestly though, I think I am getting kind of near the end of this little sample, which is good. This is why I buy samples of things I don't know that I'm gonna like if they're expensive, because this is expensive. Full size. It was $13 for the little size. But I can kind of tell it's starting to dry up a little bit. I'm not gonna have as much in here. I love the way it makes my lashes look. I just don't like how clumpy and tarry it is in the bottle. Please let me know if that's just the travel size that does that or if it's the full size too. I would be interested to know. Look how pretty my lashes are. So long, spidery, which I like. Okay, that is the Lash Freak mascara. What am I missing? Lips. For lips, I have 2 items. I'm going to not put the red one on. I'm going to use the purple one because I have the purple going on my eyes. But this one, I feel like I can honestly take out of my project pan. I never, ever, ever reach for it. In the past month, I've used it 4 times, and that is the Oma by Sharon C. It's Complicated Lip Tint Oil and Gloss. It's in the red shade called Boasty, and I never reach for this, ever. I don't know. I think I'm going to take it out. Can I do that? I think I can. I say I can, so I am. But for the e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine, I've used this one 17 times in the past month, which I think is really good. I love this stuff. Especially during the winter months, I don't need like a lip actual product. A lip gloss is fine for me, a balm, because my lips get so chapped during the winter time. Okay, that is my e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine, and this is in the shade Ecstatic. Love this stuff. I want to get the other shades. I like it so much. The final topping to this video is my Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. I'm so proud of this one. I have used this one 18 times. And this is how much I've used. The black mark is last month, and this is where we're down to this month. I'm pretty proud of that one. So I'm going to make a new mark for this month. Well, you get the gist. And that is it for this Project Pan update number 2. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the look I came up with. I did change a couple of rules, change a couple of products. I ran out of a product, so I would say I did a really good job. I'm really happy with my tallies that I kept this entire month. I will do it again for you next month, I promise. And other than that, I guess I'll see you in a month for my next update. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!